The idea of geofencing is real simple. And first, this is nothing new. Geofencing has been around for a long time. The best way I know how to describe it is when you go into Target not only knows when you walk in the door, but they know what aisle you're on. They know what bay you're at. They know how long you spend at that bay. They know what products you're looking at in that bay. And that not only helps them understand how to better design their stores to generate more sales, they're also selling all of that data to third parties like me. So that has been going on for years. Target is one of the brick and mortars that pioneered that. The reality is this thing right here has a mobile advertising ID attached to it. It is like a social security number for your phone. And wherever you go with that phone, and we go everywhere with our phone, that phone is reporting to Wi-Fi routers and through GPS. It's reporting your location constantly. That information is then served up to advertisers so that when you walk into that sporting goods store and you go over to the kayaks, the next day you're going to see advertisements for kayaks. And you may think, oh, what a funny coincidence that is. No, it's how the technology works. And it's been happening for years. And I used to be the crazy one that people would go, oh, that's not happening. I was the one in 2014 saying our phones listen to us and serve us ads based on what it hears. And people thought I was crazy. And now people are like, it's a given that happens.